Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you all a quick recipe of gluten-free cookies. In a bowl add around 100 grams of desi ghee or clarified butter. Next I'm adding 1 cup of desi khand or you can add jaggery powder as well. Now give a good whisk to this mixture. Next, I'm adding 1.5 cup of Jawar powder. It is millet and gluten free. Along with that, we will be adding half teaspoon of baking powder. Next, 1 pinch of baking soda. Now add 1 cup of grated coconut powder. Along with that, we will be adding half teaspoon of rock salt or pink Himalayan salt, half teaspoon of vanilla essence and half teaspoon of crushed cardamom powder. Now we will bind all the ingredients together into a good dough. If needed, add water in between. Now prepare cookies-like shapes of the dough. Now we will take a baking tray and place a parchment paper on it. Now we will place all the cookies on the parchment paper. Now we will drizzle the nuts as per our choice. Here I have used some almonds, some cashews and pistachios. You can also use the chocolate chips. It tastes so much better. Now we will bake the cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 17 minutes. We have preheated the oven and now we will bake them together. Now after the cookies have been baked, let it cool down. Our cookies are ready and now enjoy.